Hello. I want to wish a very happy birthday to all of my great friends and partners at the Climate Group. It has been a terrific 5 years. You have to admit that. And I'm very proud that California is a founding member of this great organization. Together we have done fantastic work. You were instrumental in helping pass AB 32, California's landmark greenhouse gas reduction law. That was the first legislation of its kind, and our leadership is now pushing the federal government to act also. In just 5 years, we've gone from arguing about if there is a problem with greenhouse gases to actually focusing on the solutions. We all know that the fight against climate change is about green jobs, green technology, and a cleaner, healthier future. So once again, congratulations. You all are emissions terminators. That's right, emission terminators. And I know that you will keep up the great work. So let's all continue working together. Thank you very much.